We have reached a point where you no longer need a cloud subscription to access top-tier intelligence. Today, you can initialize an Opus-Level model directly on your own hardware, running completely offline. This model generates and renders entire 3D browser games on a local server, iteratively testing its own WebGL code and rewriting it until the game is fully playable. This split shows the difference in scale. On the left, an $842 monthly cloud bill for shared data. On the right, a $0 local setup where 100% of your data stays offline. Mastering this setup shifts your workflow from renting a remote brain to owning a private, secure powerhouse that runs on your own terms. Housing a model of this size requires specific hardware overhead. You need a machine with a minimum of 256 gigabytes of unified physical memory to hold the model weights in an active state. If you are working with standard consumer hardware, these same steps apply to smaller, highly efficient models like Quen or Gemma, which run comfortably on a standard Mac Mini or laptop. Once you meet that memory threshold, the RAM capacity is the final physical barrier between your workstation and an enterprise-grade AI running toll-free. Your first step is to locate the optimized builds on Hugging Face. Navigate to the Unsloth GLM repository and open the Files tab to find the main model weights. We are looking specifically for the 2-bit quantization build. This compression allows the massive model to fit into local memory, while retaining roughly 82% of the original Opus-Level accuracy. Start the download to your local drive. Given that the file exceeds 250 gigabytes, ensure you have the necessary bandwidth and storage space cleared before proceeding. Successfully pulling these weights onto your physical machine is the foundation for full AI autonomy. To automate the complex environment setup, we can use a lightweight local agent like Hermes. Paste the release link into the chat and ask it to generate a step-by-step installation plan for your specific Mac hardware. The agent will provide a tailored execution plan, including the precise pip install commands and Python scripts needed to start the local server. Always review the installation paths the agent generates. You want to verify the script is targeting the correct virtual environment to avoid conflicts with your existing local projects. Delegating these technical configurations to a smaller model saves hours of manual troubleshooting and eliminates the risk of human error in the terminal. With the environment ready, execute the launch script in your terminal to begin the initialization. At this stage, your system is moving 250 gigabytes of data from your SSD directly into the unified memory architecture. This process can take several minutes. Monitor the terminal progress bar and wait for the status to explicitly signal ready before attempting to interact with the model. To verify the server is live, use an API tool like Postman to ping your localhost port 8080. You should receive a 200 OK response, confirming the model is functioning exactly like a cloud-based API. That 200 OK signal marks the moment your standard workstation officially transforms into a localized supercomputer. Now we integrate that power into your development environment. Open your code editor's extension settings and switch the model provider from the cloud to your new localhost URL. Since local inference is entirely free, you can now deploy autonomous scripts that run continuously in the background. For example, you can set a cron schedule to trigger a local review script every 2 hours. The model will scan your entire codebase for bugs, like this error found at line 42, without any manual input or cost. Removing the cost per token barrier changes the logic of software development, making 24/7 background intelligence loops a viable standard for solo developers. For proprietary or sensitive work, you can test the system's security by inputting private corporate data for analysis. If you monitor your outbound traffic during this process, the network monitor confirms 0 kilobytes per second. Absolute zero data leaves your physical machine during the entire generation. The ultimate workflow is a hybrid one. Use fast frontier cloud models like Claude or ChatGPT for immediate research, while routing continuous, sensitive, and heavy-duty tasks to your free local agent. As hardware continues to catch up with model requirements, the ability to maintain an offline, hybrid ecosystem will define the future of secure, high-speed development.